Welcome to the AdRoll and PrestaShop on-demand webinar. We're excited to talk to you today about AdRoll's recently launched integration with PrestaShop and walk through how we partner with store owners just like you. My name is Beth Thurner, Manager of Strategic Partnerships, and I'm joined here by Max Blaha from AdRoll's product team. In this quick webinar, we'll teach you how to improve your PrestaShop cart abandonment with streamlined retargeting and custom ad creative. First, we'll walk through the benefits and features you get with AdRoll, determine if your store is a fit for retargeting, and show you how it all works in a live demo. To begin, let's start out with some basics about AdRoll and the integration we've built. So who is AdRoll? AdRoll enables thousands of small and medium-sized businesses to reach their customers across any device or browser with access to over 500 plus ad exchanges, including native inventory like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Google. We give you control and transparency of your ads, including the ability to conveniently place ads, monitor performance, and fine-tune your campaigns with one easy-to-use platform. And last, you won't miss out on a single customer with our proprietary real-time bidding algorithm, BidIQ, which ensures your ads receive the right placement for the right price. So what makes the AdRoll and PrestaShop integration unique? We built this integration so that PrestaShop store owners can decrease shopping cart abandonment by targeting people who've put an item in the cart and maybe have not yet converted. Our campaigns are cross-inventory with a single shared budget, meaning your bidding algorithm will automatically give budget to the best performing ad spaces. Last but not least, dynamic ads are a huge value add for PrestaShop store owners. Upon successful integration, we'll create a feed of all items sold in your store, customize the look of your dynamic ads with our easy ad builder, and set up your first retargeting campaigns. Dynamic ads are proven to significantly increase digital ad campaign performance, and you can get started with them in minutes. The best part for small business owners like yourself is you don't need support from designers or developers. We know how busy you are, and in that case, we've made it simple and straightforward to get started. In this next section, we'll determine if your site's a fit for retargeting. Before we walk through a demo, let's make sure it's the right time to kick off your retargeting campaign. How do you know if your store is a fit for retargeting? Here are 3 practical tips for deciding. First, AdRoll works by tracking the behavior of every user on your site. If you don't have a site or access to your PrestaShop store credentials, it's not the best fit for your business. Second, retargeting works best if you've had at least 500 monthly site visitors. If you're unsure of how many monthly site visitors you have, you can find out in your PrestaShop store analytics. And third, AdRoll can help you run top performing retargeting campaigns. But if your site has no clear way for visitors to take action, such as completing a purchase or filling out a form, it'll be very difficult to see positive results. If you answered yes to all 3 of these questions, then your store is a great fit, and you should continue on to the next section for how to set up your PrestaShop store. In this next section, we'll give you a demo of how to get started. Thank you.
Okay, now we'll go over how to connect your PrestaShop store with AdRoll within a few minutes. There are 3 easy steps here. First, we're going to want to search for the AdRoll module in your PrestaShop back office and click Install. Once installed, then you're going to connect to your AdRoll account, and this can be either a new AdRoll account or an existing AdRoll account. And then 3, the integration will then tag your site and create a free set of ads. Then you are ready to launch your first campaign. So let's walk you through how to do this here. So 1, let's go to the module section in your PrestaShop back office and search for AdRoll. Once we see the module, simply click Install. This should take a second here to install, and then we're going to want to configure. So here, if you're already signed into an AdRoll account, you can connect with that AdRoll account, or you can sign in as a different user or create a new AdRoll account here to connect your PrestaShop store to. So here we're going to connect to our existing AdRoll account. So we'll take a minute here and then boom, congrats, your shop is now connected to AdRoll. Here you can then go to the AdRoll dashboard and you'll see 2 main things on your AdRoll welcome page here. 1, you'll see that your PrestaShop store is now talking to AdRoll. This means that the AdRoll pixel is on your site. And then 2, we'll also create you a free set of ads given the products in your product feed so that you can serve dynamic product recommendation ads to your site abandoners given their browsing history. Now that you're all set up, let's go over how to launch your first campaign. So going back here into your AdRoll dashboard, you'll see that your PrestaShop store is talking to AdRoll. That means you're collecting your site visitors. We already created a set of ads for you, but you can always upload your own set of creative or edit any of these ads at a later time. And now it's time to launch your first campaign. So here we're going to select Create Automated Campaign. If you have a Google Analytics account that you want to connect, You can connect to that here. We'll then take you into your PrestaShop template. This template is optimized for all PrestaShop users, and you can run your ads on the web, on social, and you can also run retargeted emails. So here, we'll give you a recommended budget given your audience size, and then we'll also give you a recommendation for what your goals are for this campaign. Once you've filled out the settings, then you can choose which ads you want to include in your campaigns, or you can request a free set of ads from our design squad. Here, for your Facebook ads, you can add any copy that you like, such as free shipping. And then you'll also need to connect your Facebook business page to serve Facebook ads. Then, once you're done with the Facebook section, you can start to create your first email retargeting campaign. Here, we will already pre-fill all of this out for you given your account settings, but you can edit this at any time. So once you've done creating the email portion, then you're going to go to the tracking ROI. This, for all PrestaShop stores, is already done for you, so you can skip this step. And just like that, just put in your payment information and select launch.